Okay, so I'm going to make for y'all today a Jiffy jalapeno cornbread. So you'll need Jiffy mix, cornbread mix, corn muffin mix. This I'm going to split in half. So I'm only going to do half the recipe, but I'm going to give you the full-fledged recipe down below. So I'm going to use Jiffy mix, corn muffin mix, egg, milk, oil, and sour cream. Okay, mix all this together. Okay, the final ingredient is some cheddar and some jalapenos. Now you can chop up some jalapenos for the top, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to throw it all in together. I have my greased 9x9 or 8x8 on the side. And I'm going to add this to it and bake it for about half an hour. I'll see you back here when it's finished. Okay, so the Jiffy mix jalapeno cornbread is out of the oven. It looks like it did perfectly well with the fact that I had split the recipe. So, looks good. It was real easy. It's a one bowl quick bread, and hopefully it won't be too hot. It's got a little bit of sweet and a little bit of hot in there, a little bit of heat. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.